and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Jemmy and I am your tutor and your instructor. A lot of people call me AI guru just by generating one of the most amazing pictures on Facebook, but trust me, there are a lot of other things you can do with AI. From AI videos, using AI for your business, a lot of amazing things. How about the AI music and all that?
AI can do a lot depending on what you are into. For business and productivity, AI can help you write emails, proposal, or report. It could help you generate marketing copies or even add ideas. It could help you create business names, slogans, and branding guides. It could analyze customer feedback or review. It could automate repetitive tasks, scheduling responses, etc. It could help you create PowerPoint presentations or PDF automatically. It could summarize long documents or YouTube videos. It could generate contract or invoice. For content creation, it could help you write scripts, caption, generate realistic AI voiceover, create thumbnails, ideas, or even actual images. It could edit videos automatically, cause, caption, background music. It could turn vlog posts into short form videos, generate YouTube titles, descriptions, and tags. It could even help you design banner and intros. It could clone your voice for consistent narration. Is that not amazing? It is. For design and creativity, it could create art, logos, wallpaper, create posters, flyers, business cards, turn your photos into AI portraits or avatar. It could generate outfit design or fashion look, remix or enhance old pictures, create animated characters or comic stars, design entire website or app mockup. Fantastic, isn't it? For learning and personal growth, it could get personalized study notes or explanations for you, translate or rewrite complex topics in simple terms. It could help you learn new skills like coding, language, marketing. It could create flashcards or quizzes, stimulate conversations or interviews for practice, get daily affirmation or motivational script. For tech and coding, it could build websites or apps with simple prompts, optimize code automatically, generate API documentation or system diagrams, train chatbots or virtual assistants, build AI automation with tools like Zapier or even Make. It could generate data visualization or analyze reports for you. And for money and side hustle, I know this is actually the area you'll be very interested in. Number one, you can start AI-based content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You could sell your generated art, posters, or even templates, offer copyright or thumbnail design services, sell Notion templates or digital planners, make ebooks or online courses with AI. Yes, you can write a complete book using AI. You could automate a dropshipping or print-on-demand store. For fun and lifestyle, you could chat with custom AI personalities, generate movie ideas or story plots, design your dream home, plan meals, workouts, or even trips, generate memes or quotes, stimulate what-if scenarios, e.g., future careers, etc. That is a whole lot. And trust me, it is going to be so fun doing all these things with me.
So I've decided that since people could call me AI guru just by generating pictures, why don't I take them along on how to do a lot of things that has to do with AI. As the time I'm making this video, we have 22 subscribers and I am very excited and happy. Some might be from WhatsApp or Facebook, and I am very grateful that you are so interested in AI. Trust me, you are at the right place and we are going to be doing so much. So most of the times you will not get to see my face because as it is now, we have only one light and the shadow, and we have to like the materials, the tools we are using to create content, they are not much more that you'll be seeing my face most time. So it's going to be tutorial. There's a demo phone I'm going to be using, so you might not be seeing my face a whole lot, but when there is something I need to explain, there's some explanations, you have to see my face. I'll definitely be on the screen. Okay, so I decided to do this introduction video so that you see me and you I know you already know me. So for the other subscribers that will be coming from YouTube, it said not Facebook or WhatsApp, I just want them to see who is here. So we are going to be having an amazing time, having lots of fun and doing a lot of other things. So there is no timetable for what we are going to be doing. I want to do what you want me to do. Anything about AI, everything about AI that you want knowledge on, this, that, anything, all you need to do is just ask in the comment section and there's going to be a video for you. And when there is a video and you don't understand it, feel free to ask questions. Feel free to text me privately or ask questions in the comment section. I am going to answer you, and it is totally free. Okay, I have courses, I have a book, but for this very class on YouTube, it is free. You can get my prompt book and you can register for my class, but then there is still a lot of things to do. There is still so many things to do. So I want us to have fun. I want us to have a good time. As time goes on, if you see that this place is valuable, this place is amazing, you can invite your friends, tell them to join the family, and I'll be very happy to have them here. So I'm going to be posting our first video after this. I actually did post short. Yeah, most of the times we're posting shorts, maybe to teach or maybe just random videos I create. So some of the time you can also watch the shorts, okay? But I will be posting long videos to explain anything at all, because short is just 3 minutes, but for the longer videos you'll be able to explain whatsoever thing you want to explain. I'll make sure they are in simple terms, simple English. I will show screenshots and every other thing. Okay, don't forget that you can also bring in your suggestion, anything you want to say, maybe corrections, maybe anything. There's an email already on this channel that you can text me anything about AI. You can suggest, you can say this, you can say that, you can, because I literally don't know everything. So you might know something that I don't know. There might be an update or anything that I didn't catch up. So you are free to you are free to tell me about it. You are free to suggest it, and trust me, I will be very happy. I'll be appreciative. This is going to be a one big family. We are going to be family who are growing together. Okay, so I'm grateful that you are here. I'm rooting for you big time. So that is all for this introduction video. If there is any other thing, it will be said while I'm editing this video. If there is no other thing, that will be all, and I'm going to see you on our first video tomorrow. I don't know what it's going to be about yet, but trust me, I'll maybe draft a timetable, or I just want to flow with you guys. Okay, so I will see you on the next video. Have an amazing night and bye bye.